From being called an outsider to being voted the most favorite cricket commentator in a worldwide poll by Cricket Info in 2008, हर्षा बोगले अब उन नामों में से एक है जिनके बिना क्रिकेट फैंस इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते। हर्षा बोगले is considered as one of the best voices of the game. इंजीनियर ग्रेड एंड IIM alumni से क्रिकेट कमेंट्री की तरफ मुड़ जाने की ये कहानी काफी दिलचस्प है। Regarded as the voice of cricket, हर्षा बोगले. In this video, let's take a peek into his journey. हर्षा बोगले का जन्म हैदराबाद में हुआ था। His schooling took place in one of the oldest schools, Hyderabad Public School at Begumpet. इस स्कूल ने हमारे देश के बाकी सभी स्कूल से ज्यादा CEOs प्रोड्यूस किए होंगे। हर्षा is gleeful as he lists names like Satya Nadella, Shantanu Narayan and Banga brothers as former alums. He went on to study BTech in Chemical Engineering from Osmania University and is an MBA grad from IIM Ahmedabad. इनका कमेंट्री से नाता काफी छोटी उम्र से ही जुड़ गया था। He started commentary at the All India Radio at a tender age of 19. He was the first Indian commentator in the 1991-92 series to be invited by the Australian Broadcasting Corporation during India's cricket series. ये इकलौते नॉन-फॉर्मर इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेटर टर्न्ड कमेंटेटर है जिनको क्रिकेट कमेंटेटर्स के एलीट पैनल में शामिल किया गया था। Since then, he has worked for ABC Radio Grandstand, for Australian Tours of India, and for 8 years, he worked for BBC as a part of their commentary team. ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता नहीं होगा कि although इन्हें इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, he has had his time with the game too. Bogle played Division A cricket in Hyderabad and represented Osmania University at the Rohinton Baria tournament. लगभग उनके हर इंटरव्यू में उनसे ये सवाल किया ही जाता है, How does it feel to be the only one with no international exposure of the game? और हर बार इस सवाल का जवाब वो बहुत ही humbly दे देते हैं that cricket has given him the kind of opportunities and chances that he could never even dream of. That if he was writing the script to his own life, he wouldn't have anticipated even a quarter of it. His keen eye for details, precise analytical skills blended with humor, and his love for the game is second to none. हर्षा ने एक इंटरव्यू में भी बताया था कि कमेंटेटर्स आर स्टोरी टेलर्स, नॉट इंस्ट्रक्टर्स। कमेंटेटर्स कोई फिजिक्स टीचर भी नहीं होता, उनको पिच पे होने वाली सभी इंसिडेंट्स को एक स्टोरी की तरह सुनाना होता है ताकि जो लोग स्टेडियम्स में नहीं है वो भी स्पोर्ट को एंजॉय कर सके। He is baffled that not a single non-cricketer is given an opportunity to become a commentator. Harsha Bogle himself is the only exception to this unsaid norm that prevails in the cricketing world. कभी कभी उनसे भी यही सब पूछा जाता था कि how can he feel the thrill, the emotions of the game when he hasn't played it himself. लेकिन इतने सालों बाद, when his voice is synonymous to the voice of cricket, I doubt anybody would raise that question today. When asked about his megawatt smile, Harsha says that if you portray energy, if you portray life, if you portray happiness, then the people in front of you start to get happy as well. He's also a part of the IPL since 2009. And he is rendering his services to CNN IBN as a cricket expert analyst. An alumni from IIM Ahmedabad, with batchmates such as Big Basket co-founder V.S. Sudhakar and Nykaa founder Falguni Nair, we sure are thankful that Harsha got into cricket. He is a living inspiration to many aspiring sportspersons, journalists in India and all over the world. भले ही वो दुनिया के पहले non-international cricketer commentator हो, he is the ray of hope for other sports fanatics to make it big.